I talked to her yesterday. I actually interviewed her a few weeks ago, and she is a writer as a learned skill. It's not something she graduated from college with, it's a learned skill. What Gianna has done with that skill now is that she is writing memoirs. Do we have any writers out there? Give me a one in the chat box if you're a writer, because I'm talking specifically to you right now. Robin, all right. Victor, Ryan, okay. Carol, Debbie. So here's what you writers need to write down. Write down the word memoir. People will pay to have their memoirs done. So what Gianna does is she gets paid to write people's memoirs. She charges between $3,500 and $4,500 to write a memoir. This month, she has 3 clients paying her, 2 paying $3,500, 1 paying $4,500. When I asked her, she used to work in the government. When I asked her, have you replaced your income now as a freelance writer? And she said, replaced. I have multiplied multiple times replaced my income, because she's writing 3 memoirs and does some other writing services as well as a freelancer. So I want you to write down memoirs, because as a writer, those writers, anybody who said they were a writer, that is a gold mine for you to offer to someone. Here's my student, Danny. He does transcription. He's from Malaysia. He does it all by himself. He loves to do transcription. That's what he does. This is my student, Carrie. I'm going to talk about her again soon. She learned design online and offers that as a service online. I'm going to show you some great things you can do with design. So let's now talk about what are the hottest online businesses to start today and start quickly. Let's go. Transcription, phone calls, and design. And I'm going to teach you how to do all of these. Transcription, what is it? It's turning an audio file into a text file. So an example is this session that you're on right now with me. How many of you would love to receive this? Give me a 5 for a high 5 in the comment if you'd love to receive this typed up in your email so that you can review it later, go back through the main points in written format. Yeah, a lot of you are saying it. Boom, boom. Everybody's like, yes, 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 yes. So now as you're thinking about that, and I'm looking at, like, it looks like we have about 90% of people saying yes, they'd like to receive it that way. Do you see why this is so popular? People want audio and videos turned into text. From podcasts to radio interviews to sermons to webinars to lives to Zoom meetings. Woo, the sky is the limit, and it's only catapulted up with the times that we're in today. So if there are 85,000 active podcasts and they only produce 30 minutes of content per week, that's 48.5 years worth of content being created every week. Just podcasters alone and the transcription that they need, just astounding. This is Leighton. So Leighton makes more in 1 month doing her transcription job than she earned in 1 year at her old job. That's a picture of her at her old job. And this is a picture I took of her taking her back to the old place she used to work. And for doing transcriptions for clients, these are snapshots that she posted in our Facebook group celebrating her income. 500, 150, 130. These are from one client. $900. Would anybody like to make $900 doing transcription? I'm going to show you how to do it in a minute. But if you would, be like 900, write that in the comment, from one client. You're like, I will take that $900, and wait till I show you how it's done. And our students get access to our private job boards. And when you get into these job boards, you're going to see that the students that we currently have and we've taught over the past decade, they're looking for other people to come into the industry because they've got too much work. So you'll see when you get into our private job boards, you'll get your first jobs from our other students who have too much work. In fact, Leighton gets so much transcription work, she started hiring our fellow students. This is one of our students, Donette, who's saying her first job as a freelancer she got from Leighton. And then she started posting her screenshots in our Facebook group, 540, 260, 120, $80. I can't wait till you guys post your screenshots in our group. One of the things I firmly believe is that we need to help each other and encourage and inspire each other. Like, let's be inspiring to each other. So I hope that you promise